Deep beneath the waves, we found him. Thomas, the tank engine, lost to the crushing depths and the relentless march of time.
The discovery of the legendary Thomas was just the first step. Now, the monumental task of
Carefully brushing aside the corrosion, we finally see it. The iconic blue paint, hidden beneath decades of silt and rust.
Buried for decades, the iconic Thomas chassis is slowly emerging from the silt. The divers carefully clear
The extraction preparation is underway. The immense weight of the chain bites into the rusted chassis, dragging through the thick sediment.
Securing the lift point on the derelict engine require absolute precision. As the hook locks into place, with the chain network fully secured around the Thomas engine, the salvage team confirms the final adjustments.
As the lift continues, the deep sea begins to relinquish its hold, revealing the iconic colors beneath the layers of rust and time.
Against all odds, the restoration project pulls Thomas from his watery grave, a sight few believed possible.
Hold the line steady, watch the swing. Easy on the hoist, we're clearing the deck now.
Lowered onto the deck, the weight of the engine was undeniable. The salty air and steel deck provided a stark welcome.
Secured on the deck, the abandoned engine begins its transportation phase, a relic rising from the depths for a second chance.
The Sodor, or as it's known here, the Thomas train, has arrived at the Coastal Railway junkyard.
The deep-sea restoration of Thomas proves a heavy challenge as the massive relic arrives at the coastal junkyard.
The massive lift begins. This salvaged relic, once known as Thomas, sheds its deep-sea decay. The deep-sea restoration project begins now. After months underwater, Thomas finally touches solid ground, ready for the long road ahead.
Decades of neglect have taken their toll. The Thomas we found here is severely damaged, requiring extensive...
The restoration begins with the daunting task of dismantling the exterior. Years of deep-sea decay have fused the...
See how deep that oil stain goes into the casting.
And the rust near the funnel is flaking badly. We have our work cut out for us.
The stiff bristles work deep into the metal pores, slowly revealing the smooth blue paint beneath the textured rust.
To restore structural integrity, these corroded sections must be removed.
Okay, easy with that plate. Watch the alignment right there.
Perfect.
To restore Thomas, we first have to tackle the decades of de-corrosion.
We meticulously refine the newly welded sections, smoothing the uneven joints. The goal is a seamless blend. Now we see the meticulous process of aligning the new axles. These polished components must integrate perfectly. The key to a perfect finish is in the preparation. Every inch of Thomas's deep-sea hull must be meticulously sanded. After weeks of sanding, the Thomas restoration is ready for paint. The crew applies the primer, ensuring a flawless, uniform surface.
The restoration nears completion in the drying chamber. Here, the heat ensures the deep blue coat cures to a flawless...
And here we see the final detailing pass, ensuring every rivet shines before Thomas returns home.
All right, bring it left just a little. Got it, torque wrench ready.
From the depths, he returns. The echoes of the past may linger, but they fade, leaving only the promise of a new day. After months of meticulous work, the deep sea wreck complete. Watch how the beads effortlessly off.
Once lost beneath the waves, Thomas emerges anew. A journey from darkness to the brightest day, finally restored. Smoothness is remarkable. Where rust once dominated, we now see perfectly sealed edges and mirror-like reflections of the sky.
Showcasing the smooth motion and precision engineering of the restored Thomas train. The rods pump rhythmically with zero resistance.
Abandoned to the deep sea, and now fully restored. This glossy blue marvel is ready to hit the rails once more.
Restored to his former glory, the legendary Thomas the Tank Engine glides smoothly through the vibrant landscape, a testament to enduring friendship.
A new chapter begins.
From the deep sea depths to the open sky, Thomas is finally restored, a symbol of renewal.
The restoration is complete. Thomas has returned, proving that even after the darkest storms,
After years lost to the sea, Thomas rises again, a flawless restoration, ready to steam into tomorrow.
Once lost to the deep, the true blue engine finds its balance at last. A perfect reflection of a long journey completed.
The restoration is complete. Bathed in the calm blue light of twilight. Once lost to the deep sea, he is now flawlessly restored, a testament to transformation. The journey is complete. From the depths, he has risen, polished and perfect, ready.
Restored at last. A timeless journey complete, transcending the tracks and fading gently into forever.
Behold the Thomas, risen from the depths, its deep blue livery gleaming under the cool industrial.
From the depths of the sea to this pristine studio, the restoration is finally complete. A true masterpiece.
The extraction preparation is underway. The immense weight of the chain bites into the rusted chassis, dragging through the thick sediment.
Beneath 300 feet of water, the salvage crew works against the clock. Securing the chains is the most critical phase of the operation.
Decades lost to the abyss, the legendary engine finally begins its ascent. The weight of the deep sea slowly gives way to the promise of the surface.
Rising steadily now. The deep sea restoration is complete, and the breakthrough is near.
After weeks at sea, the wreckage of engine number 1 is finally secured. The recovery effort was unprecedented.
Moving this much oxidized metal requires extreme caution. Every chain link, every binder has to be double-checked before the crane engages.